Alright guys, so today I want to walk you through how to use or install Netflix on your TV. First, we'll walk through how to install it on the TV if you don't already have it, and then I'll show you how to use another device to stream it onto your Samsung TV. So when this video helps you out, if you could, just consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel. Just a super easy way to support the work we're doing here. With that, let's jump in. So obviously you can see I already have Netflix installed, but let's say that it wasn't here first on the list. This just means that I have accessed it lately. I could check this whole app bar looking for it. If I don't see it here, what we would do is just open up this apps here. And then up at the top, we have that search icon. So we'll open that up. All right, so in the search, we'll just start typing Netflix. And the end should pull it up. And you'll see here, Netflix would be there. And you would just click it to download. So I already have it installed. So I'll download this just to show you what it's like to download an app. So you click into the app and then you just hit that install button. So pretty easy there. Now, if you want to watch or use your phone to stream Netflix, so here's Netflix on my phone. Obviously, you need to make sure you have Netflix downloaded on your phone. Then you would find what you want to watch. So I'm just going to hit pause there. And at the very top, there's that square icon. See if I can hit it. Is that better? Okay, so right there, that square icon, that's the cast icon. You open that, and then you choose which TV. So I'm looking at the Samsung QN90B right here. And there you are. So you can see that this is playing. You can see the Spider-Man is playing there. And at the top, that icon is now red, meaning that it is connected to our Samsung TV. Now you can also do this with iPad or any other device. I'm just using an iPhone because that's what I have. But the process is going to be almost identical. You're just going to, find what you want to watch and then cast it to your TV. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.